I've been waiting for you. Thanks for clicking on my link. I can virtually help you with the decor in your home and also be your virtual shopper. But I design kitchens and bathrooms. Yeah, I'm a home remodeler too. You can actually hire me by going to my website, sharkthebuilder.com, and click on services. I think you need my help. People like you need someone like me, and someone like me needs someone like you. Ask yourself this question. Have you ever just sat around your home and wondered, it's kind of dull in here. I don't know what to do with my space. I don't think I can do anything with my space. Well, you can't, but I can. So that's why you should hire me. It'll only cost you $50 to book a 30-minute consultation with me. And if you hire me as your virtual designer, I'll take that $50 and add it to the cost of your project. You can reach me by phone. My number is 773-900-6659. Or you can reach me via my website or email, info@sharkthebuilder.com. Thanks for staying around for the entire 2 minutes, well actually minute and 30 seconds. Did I convince you to hire me? Well, I hope I did. Click the button below and book my services. And by the way, they call me the Shark.